Somalia commends the report presented by the Commission and warmly welcomes the proposed declaration. Somalia echoes the supportive sentiments expressed by fellow members of this esteemed union. We vehemently condemn the human rights violations perpetrated against the people of Palestine and the indiscriminate killing of infants, children, civilians, the elderly, and the wounded and the ill seeking medical aid in hospitals. It is utterly abhorrent. Besieging civilians and depriving them of the basic food and water is a serious human rights violation and against international human rights law. Somalia supports the call for humanitarian assistance to be available to the people of Gaza unconditionally. The African Union is intimately acquainted with the various forms of injustices and crimes perpetuated against us, from slavery to colonialism and apartheid. Given our collective historical experiences, it is only natural that we as Africans champion the cause of the Palestinians and stand in solidarity with them. Somalia applauds South Africa's tireless efforts in bringing the atrocities in Gaza to the attention of the International Court of Justice. And we wholeheartedly support the court's acknowledgement of the serious risk of genocide in Gaza. Furthermore, we endorse the endeavors aimed at safeguarding Palestinian civilians in the occupied territories. We firmly believe that the two-state solution is the sole pathway to achieving a lasting peace in the Middle East, with the Palestinian state recognized internationally within the 1967 borders and East Jerusalem rightfully acknowledged as capital. Thank you.